A shiny red Peterbilt rollback truck has just been completed by Midco Sales. It has a Paccar engine with Allison automatic transmission. The JerrDan rollback body includes a Ramsey 8K winch. And it has a 22-foot steel deck with a 3,500-pound wheel lift. In the Ditch brand aluminum toolboxes are mounted on each side, with a selection of tow gear included. Here's a look inside the cab. Midco Sales is the Jerr-Dan dealer in Arizona and builds all its tow trucks at its service facility. Visit us online to see our full inventory.